This is going to be a video tutorial on how to center text in Gmail. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am on Gmail. To center align text in Gmail, it's very easy to do. I have begun to compose an email down here and say that this top line, say that I wanted my title to be centered. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the text that you want to center. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button while I drag across this text. Then I'm going to go down to the formatting options bar, which is located right here. If you do not see this bar, then that means that the formatting options button has not been clicked. Right here, the A with the line underneath it, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says formatting options. Click on that to bring up the formatting options bar. And then your alignment will be located right down here on the formatting options bar. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says align. I'm going to click on the line. And then you could choose between left align, center align, or right align. I'm going to click on center align, the middle one. Now, as you can see in my email, my text has now been centered there. That is how to center align text in Gmail. Thanks for watching.